Hello, welcome back to another video. For the first time in a long time, I'm going to share with you a video on my hair. I am not so much into my hair because a lot had happened, and for this year I have promised myself to take very good care of my hair, and following Rosie's hair regimen, I want to wash my hair. I don't know about my edges. I don't know what's wrong with it. It is refusing to grow. Yes, I don't like it, but there's nothing I can do about it for now. And so I am going to wash my hair with this. This is black soap. African black soap, alata samana or anago samana as the guys call it. So this is a mixture of alata samana and then coconut oil. And then when I am done tomorrow morning, we are going to apply the clay. I have here an ordinary water, and this is my bowl. This is ayilo or clay. Yeah, the one that is eaten, the one that is molded. I don't know how it's called in your language, but in Ghana we call it either shile or ayilo. I'm taking 3 tablespoonfuls. Let me add 1 to it. In the video she said you can use water or apple cider vinegar. I don't have apple cider vinegar, so I'm going for water. This is my spray bottle. It had body splash, so after exhausting it, I turned it to my spray bottle. So in the video she advised that we do it on a damp hair. That is why I am damping the hair. Then I will apply the clay. So in getting the powder, I crushed the ayilo with my blender, and then I sifted it. And sanaminian is saying I did not damp this hair. This section I am working with, it is still dry. I want to know why she said we should damp the hair before. So the Thomas in me wants to know when you don't damp the hair, it is not easy to pass your hair through. This one I could easily rub my fingers through, but this one, the one that I did not moisturize before, it is not easy to work through. I am done with it, and I must say that this reminds me so much of the perming days. I had hairdresser no nkunu ne ebeka no the leftover cream. What it so I have missed those days. As she said in the video, we have to leave it to air dry. So that is what I am going to do. So in this bottle is the residue of the mixture I made somewhere last year. It contains shea butter, castor oil and olive oil, so it will be enough for me. So this is what I will be using. I'll just put it in a warm water for it to melt. Okay, so it's been almost 2 hours. It's partly dried. I cannot wait for it to be completely dried, so I am going to wash everything down. She recommended warm water, so I'm going to first rinse it off with cold water, then I top it up with warm water, then we continue. Hey Rosie, this particular style that you have rubbed, yeah, would say line me and sana of flat twisted, you know. I am going to do that. As you can tell, this part of my hair is white. It's because I did not wash it well. And before you do this, make sure you have enough water, because I use more than 3 buckets of water in washing off the clay, but there are still some clay in, and I don't know whether it's because of the clay I use. There are sand in my hair, but I'm still going to rinse off the oil, so everything will be okay. These are the oils I'm going to use in the treatment, and it doesn't have to be very hot, because if you make it very hot, you will feel it. Anytime I pamper my hair with oils, so if you have not tried it before, please do, and you will love it. So I am twisting the hair after the application. Then you have to massage your hair. Yeah, the oils are enough, because the excess one will be dripping over time. So I am going to cover it with a plastic wrap. If you have a shower cap, you are good to go, but if you don't have a shower cap, as myself, you can wrap it with any plastic rubber. So I'm going to leave it until I am satisfied. It's been over 2 hours, so I want to take it off. Okay, so the hair is very soft. It's very soft. Ayamoton, that is the word. Ayamoton. If it had been bread, we would have said it's very fluffy. That is how my hair looks now. Agogo, ayaboto, ago. So I'm going to wash the oil out. I will not use shampoo. I'm going to rinse. Yes, that is the word. So I'm going to rinse off the oil. Please, so my edges, what do you suggest I do? I want homemade remedy. I don't want those Amazon remedies. Please help me out. So I am going to do the Adonko hairstyle. A food that I would have said it is now succulent. I am muton. If you want a tutorial on how to properly do the African thread method, the Rosie Natural has a video, so I will leave the link to that video in the description box, so you visit her channel. For Rosie, she is a hair expert, a natural hair expert. Anyami? Bye. Member, it was Samohe. Oh no. Samohe. Please, when you visit Rosie, don't forget to subscribe and also switch on your notification bell, so that anytime she makes an upload, you would be notified by Whitey to watch. So this is my full hair. Yeah, I am done with the threading, so I want to style it so I can be able to walk out freely with it. So I'll continue this video with you, God willing, tomorrow. So this is 3 days later. I started on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. So I'm taking down the thread from the hair. Then I finger detangled and then combed and styled. I want to say thank you for watching from the beginning up to this time. I appreciate your love and support over this channel. I am not taking it for granted. May God richly bless you. When I'm done combing the hair thoroughly, I will use my tail comb to part the hair. I'm going to divide it into two. I realized that my hair still had oil. It was still oily because of the oil I used in the hot oil treatment, and so I want to recommend it. Try, if it works for your hair, then you use that in your regimen. I don't wash the oil out with shampoo, rather I use water. So I am going to make a puff at the back using my crochet wool. That is what I use in braiding my hair. So afterwards I am going to divide the puff into two. Now for my braiding in twist, then I will put the twist together beautifully as I have. Now me the pin attacking down. When I am done, then I move to the front to continue with the flat twist. For the last time in this video, I want to recommend to you Rosie Natural. Rosie has series of videos on hair. I bet you are not going to regret stepping your foot on her channel. Consider to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime she makes an upload, YouTube will notify you to be among the first to watch her videos. And I mean, until you watch another video from me, all I want to say is, whenever you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me. I leave you with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Respond. Shalom.